Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast here at Nassau Bahamas Cruise Port. This is the Port Amphitheater, very large open field, and the stage area with a shaded area above. Lots of different lights and lots of area for people to perform. Right next to the amphitheater, you can see a walkway with many palm trees. Lots of different colors on the buildings, blue buildings, orange, red, much more. So quite colorful. See a bar right ahead and various palm trees again on the way. Going bakeries, bar and grill, gifts, lots of alcohol ready to go for those who want it. And looks like souvenir photos, postcards, and more at the island posts. And up ahead, see some very cleaned, clear shells to the side for sale. And more souvenirs. Bamboo shack at the port, not to be confused with the port. And a shop on this side, the official port shop. Global portiere. Surely lots for sale inside. And over here is a large line. People are waiting for a photo with the Nassau Cruise Port sign with many flamingos, flowers, and different colors. Coming back here, you can see a directory, Arrivals Terminal, Junkanoo Museum, Port Plaza, Welcome Center, restaurants, and more. Lots here inside of the cruise port. Gelato shop right ahead. And coming in, you can see what looks to be a restaurant or a cafe. Beachwear for sale. And on this side, House of Assembly. Some flowers on the outside. And cute gifts are advertised. Up here, Bahama Handprints, clothing bags, stationaries, and much more. It's a lot of interesting shops. Snacks, different drinks for sale. This place, Shore Break. I passed by and now you can see a side view of it. Continuing ahead, you can see more of the buildings, all the bright colors. Many Disney cruisers walking by as one of the Disney cruise ships is here. This is the Port Marketplace. More shirts for sale. Bahamas on them. On this side, Coconut Emporium, Reese's Pieces, handcrafted souvenirs, sidewalk gallery, so much for sale. Arts and crafts on this side, and Hair Braiders Pavilion. Get your hair braided while on a cruise. Some more purses, bags on this side. Lots to buy, lots to see. Ocean sports. Tasty teas, Bahamas, candies, rum cakes, spices, and more. A lot of Disney characters coming up here. Christmas tree, get some Christmas ornaments. Recording here in March of 2025. And advertisements for Starbucks. I did see one, so it's a place to get a cold drink and use your Starbucks stars, gift card balance, whatever happens to be. Coming to the end of the marketplace, you can see the cruise ships. This is the new Statendam that I got off of. Carnival Magic in the back. Disney further back somewhere. And further up, you can see Atlantis, Paradise Island. I do have some videos from Atlantis further back in my archive. Up here, you can see some more of the photograph spots. There's a nice heart here with flowers at the top. And I love Nassau. Some flamingos and hearts and flowers. Interesting place, Nassau. And finally, the Museum of Junkanoo. And when I was at Atlantis Paradise Island, there was a Junkanoo parade. It's a Museum of Junkanoo. And we'll get one more coming here to the glass. There's a big display inside of the museum. You can see on the outside for free. You can see the vibrant colors the masks. The building begins. There's a drum in the center. So pretty cool display in the museum. Fountain in the center, some statues, and more. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off. Stay tuned for future content.